Our first category tonight is female performance in a soap or comedy. To present the award, a man who knows a great female performance when he hears it, and then he records the more commercial cover version. It's Ronan Keating!
Thank you. This last year has seen many, many great performances from some of our best actresses in popular soaps and comedy series. Tonight, we bring you 5 of the best.
Cathy Belton,
20 years
Red
of
Rock.
lies from your father. I will not put up with it from you. I'm asking you one last time. Who else knew about David and Katie Kiley?
Sharon Horgan, Catastrophe.
Okay, I just need a person to help me, and the person who wants to help me happens to be a man. I don't care if it is the 2000s. I got home last night and he'd made me a frittata. Do you know what that is? It's an eggs thing. It was extremely tasty, and if that's the kind of behaviour I can expect, then I definitely want him around.
Jane McGrath, Red Rock.
Why are you raping her?
Just don't you talk like that.
Does she think you'll marry her when she's 18? She don't want that. She'll hate you.
Deirdre O'Kane, Moon Boy.
Not to be outdone by Sharon, Deborah bravely embarked on a yoga class and was really starting to enjoy this China anniversary of hers.
This is wonderful.
Shh. No talking during the downward dog, hon.
Martina Stanley, Bear City.
Oh, God, are you
Okay. You don't worry about that now. That's just temporary, okay?
And the IFTA goes to Sharon Horgan.
I'm not Sharon Horgan, I'm her brother, but she's in New York and she left this message for everybody here. Thank you, IFTA. I'm thrilled. These are my first nominations and I'm delighted it's for Catastrophe. I've watched the IFTAs from afar, very afar, over the years, and I've always assumed I wasn't eligible because I was born in London. Turns out I was eligible all along. You just never liked any of my stuff until now, you fussy bastards. She also writes, thanks to my second captain's genius of a brother, Mark Horgan, for accepting this on my behalf. What a great show Second Captains is. Fingers crossed for them. Not sure who they're up against, but my gut is they're the superior choice. So she's a great actress and also a great judge of sports programming. So thanks very much. Thank you both.